To replace the print heads from the printer's front panel, first touch Supplies, then Printheads, and then Replace. Open the top cover. Pull the handle to open the printhead cover. Disengage and lift the printhead latch. Lift the printhead handle and pull it upwards to remove the printhead from the carriage. Shake the new printhead from side to side at least 10 times. Remove the packaging and protective caps. Slide the new printhead into its slot in the printer and lower the handle. Insert the printhead, making sure not to hit any parts of the carriage. Without closing the latch all the way, lower it until it rests on the printhead. Press the primer to make sure the primer ports are secure. Close and secure the latch. Put the printhead cover back on. Close the top cover. On the printer's front panel, touch Finish and Check. The printer checks that the new printhead is correctly inserted and then recommends a printhead alignment. To perform a printhead alignment, press the Agent door to open it. Open the cleaning roll door and remove the calibration tool. Insert the calibration tool into position 1 between the cleaning roll and the recoding unit. Place an A3 or tabloid paper over the calibration tool. Make sure that it covers the tool completely and clip it. Close the top cover. A calibration pattern prints. Then reopen the top cover. Move the calibration tool to position 2 and repeat the process. Close the top cover. A calibration pattern prints. Then, reopen the top cover. Remove the calibration tool and check the pattern. For every letter, choose the line that is continuous with no breaks in the middle. If you do not know what line to select, choose the middle of the aligned lines. From the printer control panel, enter the number next to the continuous line. To check that the alignment has been done correctly, select Diagnostic on the Printhead tab. Place the tool covered by paper in position 1 and, after printing, check that the triangle is next to the continuous line. If there is a broken line above the triangle, repeat the alignment and only change that value. The replacement process is complete and normal printing can resume.